Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see all the stuff which we have seen till now, like in a bits and pieces. We'll combine it together and we'll try to create a single tool, like which will pick up a data from Excel data sheet and it will paste it in the browser. It will submit the document and it'll check if it is submitted properly or not. So we'll do all those stuff together at a single place. So I'll be using the same sheet as we have been using it for the till now. So session 36. Okay. So we'll start with first of all clearing all the previous IE browsers which we did in this session 31, 32. So let me call this subroutine directly. Then we'll create an object. And we'll have these details over here. Like we'll also have the dynamic weight. Let me take it all. Let's have this particular message box as well. So here we have the date, and then we have year and the. So let's try to debug it to get the elements. So we have we'll get the elements as like then the hire date is done. We'll say the employment title. After the date, we'll enter it. The title adds it has ID. Title as anything. So for now, just keep it aside. For understanding purpose, let's write down comments. Then we have the next thing, which is the select ID. We'll use the same stuff. Utilize the human resources, which will be the zero, like 0, 1, and 2, third option. Because you can see over here as well, 0, 1, and 2, the third option. So I'll say third. The title of this is department. And then we'll see. So this is still okay. And then the comment section, if we have any other. Then we have the supervisor's name. So supervisor's name, like these two options will come at first. Clicking before comments. The supervisor's name ID is okay, and then we have our submit form button. And after that, we have a dot click for submit form. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to get these values from data sheet. So what we can do here is or month. Let's write some comments before we move it to the year. First name, last name. So here, so on this sheet one, we'll rename it as input. We will have the first name, last name, month, date, year, and then we have the employment title. Then the index, department index. You can give the department name as well over here. So, but I'll leave it up to you. I'll leave it as an assignment. Then we have comments. Then we have supervisor first name. And yeah, that's all. So here, what we will do is we'll write the first name, last name, month as 7, date as 17. The year would be like, we'll give the index itself. I'll give the first index, and then the title adds engineer to superb, and then I'll give the supervisor name as well as my name. So this is A2. So we'll just modify it over here. Sheets, sheet input dot range A2 dot value. Then we have this as B2, the next one as C2, next one as D2, next as E, next as F, next as G, next as H, next as HI, the last one as J. J. So like if I have to show, yeah, till J. Okay, let's try to debug it once, and then we'll run it just to make sure that we have entered all the values correct. Seems to be correct over here. So let me close it and let me show you by directly executing it. So we have let's create a button for it. And then the button would be session 36. So you can see it have cleared the previous things. It has returned the new things. It have submitted and the message box. So that's all about like how this is how you can configure, or this is how you can automate your any of the browsers using Excel or Excel macros or VBA. So that's all I have for this particular video. In the next video, we'll see the use of ActiveX controls, and we'll see like how can we create create or design the UI part using ActiveX controls. Till then, thank you.